again. She sang the song just the same.
Again.
And again, every time, exactly the same. Everyone loved the new Nightingale. She sang the song and never failed. Every time she got it right, all the day and all the night. This Nightingale never needed to rest. Everyone said they liked her best. This Nightingale was all the rage. She sat on a cushion inside the cage.
This Nightingale will never get old. This Nightingale will do what she's told. This Nightingale will stay. Believe me, this Nightingale will never leave me.
Everywhere like the new Nightingale, but the Emperor's face was growing pale. He was with the new but night and day. The only thing with which he would play, he lowered